Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Cantonese style walnut cookie. One of my favorite cookies from my childhood while I was growing up in Hong Kong. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Chop toasted walnuts into tiny pieces. Baker's ammonia is optional, which is used to enhance the crunchiness of cookies. You may find it from Amazon. Mix ammonia and baking soda with eggs first. Tender flake is 100% lard. Weigh and cut lard into pieces. Sift cake flour with all-purpose flour. Beat lard for a few seconds, then add sugar, icing sugar, and salt into it. Beat briefly until just combined. Add egg mixture, then beat to incorporate. Add half of the flour, then beat for a few seconds to incorporate. Add rest of flour, beat until just combined. Do not overbeat. You may use a spatula or your hand to press and push the dough together. Texture should be like this. Add walnuts. Beat for a few seconds to incorporate. Do not overbeat, otherwise the cookies won't be crunchy. Pour the mixture out. Use a scraper to push and press mixture into a dough without kneading it. Press and push the dough like this. Then cover the cookie dough with parchment paper and roll it tightly into a cylinder. Weigh and divide the dough into small portions of 25 grams each. Roll each piece into a ball. Place the dough onto a parchment paper or silicone mat lined baking pan. Press each ball into a thinner disc, then press the center halfway with your finger. Brush each with beaten eggs. Preheat convection oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Convection bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes. Remove cookies from oven and cool on rack. The cookies look so good. Let me try a piece. Super crunchy and yummy as well. The Cantonese style walnut cookie makes a good gift for your friends and family for the upcoming Chinese New Year. Try making some today.